Ano mangyayari the next day, you know, like parang I just focus on the day itself. Tapos kung ano yung mangyayari the next day, mamaya ko napapansinin kasi meron naman kaming synchronized na schedule and klaro lahat sa akin yun. And medyo puno siya, pero hindi pa po ako tumanggap ng trabaho, gagawin po namin yan ng paraan.
Yes! That is our multimedia force, ladies and gentlemen. Kaya naman pala. Well, I love the work ethics. That's amazing. Alright, so I'm sure everybody's excited to ask you questions. So, let's get into it. First question.
Easy lang po kayo mamaya.
Hello, Elijah. I introduce myself to you, but
yes,
we've met many times before. Tessa from the Manila Times, and first of all, I'd like to congratulate you because it is really very impressive, and congrats to the team also. What a novel idea to do this for Elijah.
Yeah, I know.
I kasi nga, syempre, parang it's just logical. I started from here, and this is where the music is. Of course, everybody knows, you know, yung range mo as an actor, but today, you know, I've been become so impressed also with your range sa music. Hindi lang ikaw nagsulat, but yung as a talo, we see that your range of voice is also meron pang pataas, meron pang paganyan, may sound na reggae. Akala ko it was gonna be reggae, mamaya mo rap na. I mean, it's just how you are also sa iyong pag-arte. Napakarami. Unang-una, yung music, gaano kalaking parti ito ng career mo and ng passion mo?
Alam niyo po, this music thing naman, it's not something that I really studied. Unlike acting and film and theater na pinag-aralan ko talaga ever since I was a kid. So itong music is something that I just really enjoy. I'm a fan of OPM, I'm a fan of music, especially hip-hop music. Tapos I have friends who are musicians. Tapos I started writing and making music around 2021. Tapos as a hobby lang po talaga siya at the time. Pero through a friend, nilink niya ako sa UMG, the label. Tapos apparently the label liked my music, so sila nag-handle ng music career right now, and they've been very supportive. We actually just shot a music video directed by Direk Dan Villegas, shot by Malay Javier, and a bunch of cameos na napakiusapan kung mag-cameo sa video of Joseph K, and we're releasing that on September 5.
Well, obviously, okay. But well, we can tell whether it's just you singing on stage or a music video. The camera naman talaga talagang is attracted to Elijah. Pero tulad ng sinabi ng ating lovely MC earlier, she said that when you act, it's like it's being. And even in your music, you seem so natural, unaffected. And this is after doing so many things. And in the process also, of course, picking up success. Bakit grounded pa rin lahat and very genuine pa rin and honest ang nag-acting mo kahit na napakaraming ginagawa sabay-sabay? How does an artist do that?
Siguro po, wow, what a question. Siguro po, napalaki ako na magkaroon ng malalim na empathy. Hindi lang bilang artista, kundi bilang tao din po. Even on a regular basis. Kaya ko mag-empathize with kahit kanino man, kahit kaaway ko, parang naiintindihan ko. Actually, nagkalat nga sa akin minsan yung magulang ko, ang bilis ko magpatawad, ang bilis ko makaintindi. Kasi medyo malalim po yung empathy ko bilang tao. And that's what I use actually pagdating sa acting, na kahit masamang character pa yan or mabuti, parang I try to not see them as black and white. I always try to see them as human beings who have objectives and motivations and reasons, context on why they're like that. So parang ganoon po yung atake ko sa acting lagi. It's just empathizing with them, understanding them, and not playing them in a black and white way. Wanting to make them three-dimensional basically. As sa music naman po, diyan ko po nalalabas yung personal. Siguro kasi sa acting, I wear masks nga all the time. I'm not playing myself, and it's actually therapeutic to me kasi I get to learn more about human beings, humanity, ganyan. Pero pagdating sa music, dito ko naman nilalabas yung mga personal kong kwento, mga kwento ko na ako 17, or mga hinanakit ko sa kaaway ko, or kapag in love ako, like, diyan ko po nilalabas lahat. So, parang nagkataon din sa pagkatao ko na nakahanap akong dalawang medium na na-enjoy ko, na therapeutic sa akin in different ways.
Thank you. Very well answered, and the reason why we want to see more of you anywhere and everywhere. Thank you,
so much.
Elijah.
Thank you po, Ms. Nessa.
Hello po. Hi,
Hello,
Elijah.
hi.
Nice seeing you again.
Nice seeing you again.
Okay, again, congratulations sa napakalawak mong filmography.
Thank you po.
And discography na rin. Ayan. I just wanna know, since we're talking about your music, no, ano yung mas like, kasi kumakanta ka ng medyo like hip-hop style, and like, or upbeat, and then meron ka din like medyo slow. Yun. Which do you like? Which is yung parang mas like, nagpapakita ng personality mo? Or ano yung mas
Depende sa mood talaga. Unlike sa film nga, para magbibigyan ka ng script, you have to justify that script. Ito, ako nagsusulat ng lahat ng lyrics na kinakanta ko, ako gumagawa ng melody. I don't produce them kasi hindi ako able talaga sa pagpo-produce ng music. Pero I write them. So, depende sa mood. Actually, I made a song on Friday before my birthday. Tapos parang 1 year na ako hindi nakakapagsulat ng kanta. Tapos nakakamiss lang matanong ng producer, ano bang gusto mong gawin? Ano bang mood mo ngayon? What do you wanna be? Gusto mo gawa ng happy songs? Gusto mo gawa ng chill song, galit song, and love song? So medyo ganun yung proseso paggawa sa music. So ang hirap pumili kasi it really depends on the day of or sa mood ko on that day.
Kasi before, parang I remember, no, parang like pandemic to, you were like so shy, nahiya akong kumanta sa harap ng mga tao. I remember that, marami kang videos na parang medyo, yeah. So, pero paano mo na-conquer yung shy, yung pagiging shy mo now that ngayon sobrang galing mo na mag-perform in front of audience?
I try. Parang, I think about that like how I attack photo shoots. Like photo shoots, I'm still super shy when it comes to taking pictures for magazines or whatever. Pero sino ba nagsabi sa akin? I think PJ Pascual told me that na isipin mo you're acting. Isipin mo you're a different person in front of the camera. Isipin mo nilalandi mo yung camera. Isipin mo ganito, ganyan. So, ganun yung inspiration ko behind it. And when it comes to rapping naman, ganyan din. It's performing. So, it's like acting also. I put on a persona. But when you listen to the music, when you listen to the lyrics, very personal din siya sa akin. Pero when I perform like this, mga live performances, I try to put on a persona. Honestly, gusto ko nga iba yung name ko sa music eh. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano bang, kung mag-work ba yun. Hindi ko alam, yeah.
Okay. Now talking about your film naman, no? Sa tingin mo, ano yung nakapag-shape sa'yo as an artist talaga?
Ooh, back then it used to be Kalel, 15, because grabing immersion na ginawa ko doon. But nowadays, I'm trying to go for a more practical approach when it comes to acting. Yung hindi ako masyado nahihirapan, hindi ko na binibitbit pa uwi, and mas madaling magkumalas, mas madaling i-differentiate yung personal and yung work. So that project was about us, but not about us for me. I was preparing for that film for over a month. As in, almost every day, memorize ko, inaaral ko, trying to come up with choices. Tapos pagdating sa set, nakita ko si Kuya Romnick na just being in the moment. Tapos I was asking him, trying to learn from him. Tapos yun yung tinatry kong approach now. Siyempre, meron pa rin preparation aspect. But nowadays, I try not to overthink too much and just trust the process. Ganun.
Actually, you and Sir Romnick were really great sa About Us or Not About Us.
Thank you.
Magiging Best Actor nominees ba kayo, di ba?
Yeah.
Anyway, so now that you celebrated your birthday last August 16, right? So ano na lang yung birthday wish mo this year?
Thank you. Ano ba? Ang corny kasi, since the pandemic, especially the past 2 years, ang birthday wish ko medyo corny, like, world peace. Legit, like, may gera nangyayari sa Palestine, sa maraming parte ng mundo, and sana magkaroon ng kapayapaan sa mundo, yun talaga. Pero syempre, on a personal note, ay sana maging healthy and maging blessed lang yung mga mahal ko sa buhay. Yun.
Thank you, Elijah.
Thank you po.
Congratulations.
Maraming salamat.